Wednesday. Little behind schedule. It's already almost 8 o'clock. I'm gonna switch machines, get rid of the Bandit, get the mini skid, get to Highoands Ranch, and start making mulch. Gonna be a little hectic today. I'm tired. I only got like three and a half hours of sleep because I was doing locates and schedules and responding to emails and wanting to text a whole bunch of people that have been texting me, but figured not to do that in the middle of the night. So I'm gonna hustle. We'll see you in the ranch in a bit. Struck out on the first one. Really tight gate, 36 inches, but like corner, uneven. Without Vermeer remote controls are proportional, just like the Scanreco that I put on the Bandit. They're proportional, so the more you push, the more it goes. If you only push a little, it only goes a little. The control station on the 1152 is much less proportional, so to be able to be really careful going through was very tough, and it got to the point where there was no way I was going to make it without doing some damage to the neighbor's gate, because I'm going in through the neighbors to get to the customer's house because there's no access at the customer's house. So that one is postponed until I get my machine back, but that'll hopefully be tomorrow. So for now, we've got that big front yard blowover, and we're going to put the mulch into the bin. So let's go do that.
Another late night, but I'm home. 9 o'clock. My wife's making me a steak. I'm going to eat it, make a stupid video, go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What a day.